Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our fantastic listeners around the world. I'm so happy to be here with you today.
It is wonderful to see you today. You look very energetic.
I am. I had a very good sleep and a big breakfast, so I am ready for anything. How are you today?
I am doing very well, thank you. I am a little bit excited about our topic today.
Oh, is it a fun topic like food or travel?
Well, it is not exactly fun, but it is very, very important. It is real-life English.
Real life English. I like the sound of that. It sounds useful.
It is. Today we are going to talk about situations with the police.
The police. Wow, that is a serious topic.
It is serious, but we want to make it easy. Everyone needs to know how to ask for help.
You are absolutely right. If you travel or live in a new country, you must know these words.
Exactly. But before we start this important lesson, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, please take a second to subscribe to our channel. It helps us so much.
And give this episode a big like. It helps other students find our lessons.
And share it with your friends. Okay, let's talk about the police.
Let's do it. So, have you ever called the police?
That is a good question. Let me think. Yes, I have.
Really? Was it scary?
A little bit. It was a few years ago. I was at home.
Okay, you were at home. What happened?
It was very late at night, around 2 a.m.
Oh, wow. That is late.
Yes, I was sleeping, but then I heard a very loud noise.
A loud noise? Like an explosion?
No, it was music. Very loud music.
Ah, a party.
Yes, my neighbors were having a big party on a Tuesday night.
On a Tuesday? That is not good.
Exactly. I needed to work the next day, so I waited, but the music did not stop.
So you called the police?
Yes, but I called the non-emergency number, not the emergency number.
That is a very important tip. Can you explain it?
Sure. There is usually one number for emergencies, like 911 or 112. You use that for danger, fire, or someone is hurt.
But a loud party is not danger.
Right. It's annoying, but not dangerous. So I called the local police station.
What did you say?
I said, "Hello, I want to report a noise complaint."
Noise complaints. That is a very useful phrase.
Yes, the officer asked for my address and my name.
Did the police come?
Yes, they came, talked to my neighbors, and the music stopped.
Peace and quiet.
Exactly. I just needed to be clear.
That's a great example. I have a story too.
Oh, tell me.
This happens when I was on vacation in a big city. I was with a friend walking in a park.
That sounds nice.
It was, but I put my bag on the ground. When I looked down, my bag was gone.
Oh no, it was stolen?
Yes, my wallet and passport were inside.
That's serious.
Very serious. I found a police officer and said, "Excuse me, officer, please help me. My bag was stolen."
That's a perfect sentence.
He asked me to describe the bag and what was inside.
Descriptions are very important.
Yes, he gave me a report number, which helped me at the embassy.
See? The police are there to help us.
Exactly. Grammar is not important in emergencies. Clear words are.
Simple phrases like help, accident, or someone is hurt are enough.
Let's practice with a role play.
Okay, I'm ready.
You lost your child in a supermarket.
Hello, help! I can't find my son.
Where are you?
At the supermarket on 5th Avenue.
How old is he?
He is 6 years old and wearing a red t-shirt and blue jeans.
Perfect. Descriptions save time.
They really do.
Now, what if the police stop you while driving?
First, stay calm and keep your hands on the wheel.
Yes, they may ask for your license and registration.
You can simply say, "Here they are."
Being polite is very important.
Always. It keeps the situation calm.
Have you ever found a wallet?
Yes, once. I took it to the police station and said, "I want to turn it in."
Turn it in. Great phrase.
The police officer was very happy.
That's a happy ending.
Today we learned many useful words.
Yes, noise complaint, stolen, description, license, accident, and help.
Never be afraid to say help.
And always know the emergency number in your country.
Write it on your phone.
I hope our listeners feel safer now.
English is for real life, not just classrooms.
Before we go, please tell us in the comments, have you ever talked to the police in English?
And don't forget to subscribe to Learn English channel.
Thank you so much for listening.
Stay safe and keep practicing your English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.